Good morning, students. Today, let's learn one more property of water. And what's that property that we are going to learn today? It's called anomalous behavior of water. So, let's rightly jump into it. So, the objective for today is read with me. Come on. Student will be able to describe the anomalous behavior of water. Come on, say with me. Anomalous. Anomalous. Now, what does anomalous mean? So, water का कोई behavior है जो anomalous है. Anomalous means unusual. Something which is not normal. Yes, so I'm writing it over here. Not normal. जो normal नहीं है, normal से थोड़ा different है. So now let's first see what is normal behavior. So what is this anomalous or unusual behavior of water? So in last class we learned that a matter expands on heating. So when we heat a matter, so in this first picture over here, you can see we are heating matter. You see these molecules this matter is made of, they're very close to each other. And this square is small also. Now when we are heating it, we are increasing its temperature. So what happens to it? It becomes big. The matters, molecules, they move away from each other. The distance between them increases. And this square you can see has now become bigger. So it has what? It has expanded, right? So this is what happens. You heat, matter expands. What happens when we cool it? We have also learned this, and we know when we cool any matter, so you see it contracts, it becomes smaller. You can see all these molecules are very far from each other. In this, they're very close together. Why? Because we have got its temperature down. So less temperature, it will contract. Okay, but water is an exception to this rule. Exceptions means what? Exception means कि water does not follow this rule. Does not follow. Okay. So water does not follow this rule. Water is an exception to this rule. Let's see what water does, how water behaves. So, okay. So this is called unusual behavior of water. Because water does not behave like that. When we heat it, it expand. But when we cool it, it should contract. Water does not follow this. And this is called anomalous behavior. This is the unusual. This is not normal behavior, right? Here, look. So practice with me. Anomalous. 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 Right? Anomalous. 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 Yeah. Okay, let's see how water actually does. Okay, so the density of water at room temperature is lesser than at cool temperature. But as the temperature drops below 4 degrees Celsius, the density reduces and starts expanding. Now, all of you make note of this. You can pause the video right now and write this in your notebook. Okay, now that I've written that down, I will explain what it means. So you see, this is water, okay? This is water. These are water ke molecules. This is, so water is what? H2O. So this red thing you see is oxygen and then two molecules of hydrogen. So this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. Together it makes H2O या फिर water. Yeah. So these are all molecules of water. This is how water looks. If you look it in under a microscope, this is how it would look at room temperature. So the temperature which is of a room, that is normal temperature, yes, in which you are sitting right now. So in this temperature, the water that is there in your room would look like this. Now, if you put it in the freezer, what happens? Suppose at room temperature, the temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius. Now that you have put it in this free fridge, refrigerator, so the temperature will start to go down. Temperature कम हो जाएगा because ठंडा होएगा. So when it cools down, what have we learned? That it contracts. Any matter when it is cooled, it contracts. Yes. So water first does that. Okay. So water is now here. You can see contracting. So this is still 5 degrees Celsius. Till 5 degrees Celsius, 25 से 5, 25, 24, 23, 22 से लेकर 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. यहाँ तक and even till 4 degrees Celsius. So 5 के बाद 4 degrees Celsius. Till 4 degrees Celsius, it has contracted. You can see distance is less now. You can see these molecules are close and this has become smaller also. This is a bigger circle, this is a smaller circle. After 4 degrees Celsius, now if you cool it further, so 4 degree से और कम क्या हो सकता है? 3 degree Celsius, 2 degree Celsius, 1 degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius, minus 1 degree Celsius, minus 2 degree Celsius, and so on, right? So less than 3 degrees Celsius, whenever the temperature is less than 3 degrees Celsius, what does water do? Water starts becoming like this. It again starts expanding. This is different. All the other matter, they keep on contracting. They contract. But water, it starts to expand. तो जब पानी को when we cool water, तो वो क्या बन जाता है? What does it become? It becomes ice. Yes. And ice is less dense than cold water. Understood? So you see, below 3 degrees Celsius, the water, it starts expanding. Got this thing? So this is the anomalous behavior. So this is what you have to write. So look over here. So this is cold water because 10 degrees is very cold. So 10 degree to 4 degree, it's still very, very cold water. Okay. So, but cold water is what? Cold water is more dense. Yeah. And below 4 degrees Celsius, what has happened? It is becoming less dense. It should have become more dense क्योंकि contract हो रहा था. Contract मतलब density increase होएगी, but density increase नहीं हुई. Density कम हो गई. Molecules दूर चले गए. दूर कब जाते हैं? दूर जाते हैं हमने देखा जब हम उसको heat करते हैं. Yes, that is what we learned था. जब हमने इधर इसके heat किया, here when we heated the matter, तब वो expand हुआ. And हमने क्या सीखा था? जब cool करेंगे तो contract होता है. But water is not following this. Yeah. Water, here look, हम उसको और ठंडा कर रहे हैं, but और 4 डिग्री से नीचे आने की वजह से वो expand हो रहा है. Yes. So this is the unusual behavior of water. So now, you know, nature, it's very smart. So nature does not do anything by, you know, itself. Just it thought ki let water expand instead of contracting when we decrease the temperature. So it was not just like that because nature just wanted to do it. No, there's a reason why nature did it. You know why? So think about regions where it is very cold, where the temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius. Say near Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Yeah, so this is Earth. On the Earth, this is my equator. This is my Tropic of Cancer. We have studied this. This is Tropic of Capricorn. This is Antarctic Circle. And this is Arctic Circle, right? And this is what? North Pole. And this is my South Pole. Yes. Now, I have told you here, it's always very, very cold. यहाँ पे हमारे ice caps है. Yeah, it's very, very cold. So it gets so cold that the water will also freeze. Now, if water freezes, then what about the animals that live in the water? They will also freeze and die. But as I was telling you, nature is very smart. So what happens is, when the pond reaches its maximum, okay, just give me 1 second. Yeah. When the pond reaches its maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius, if the temperature falls further, the top layer expands and remains on the top till it freezes. Thus, even though the upper layer are frozen, the water near the bottom is at 4 degrees Celsius and the fishes, etc., can survive in it easily. So, because of this anomalous behavior of water, aquatic animals get protected. Understood? So what did I say? What does this mean? First, you need to write this. You can pause the video and write this down in your notebook. This is your note number 2 for today. Okay, now that you have written this down, I'll explain it, okay? So what has happened? So temperature is falling. So it doesn't fall from under. It starts falling from above, okay? So यहाँ से ठंडा ऊपर से ठंडा होना स्टार्ट होगा. जब ऊपर से ठंडा हो रहा है, तो सबसे पहले जो ऊपर वाला पानी था, सबसे टॉप पे जो पानी था, वो सबसे पहले ठंडा होना चालू होएगा. ये ठंडा होएगा, फिर जब ये ठंडा हो जाएगा, फिर ये वाला पानी ठंडा होगा, फिर जब ये वाला हो जाएगा, फिर ये होगा, ये होगा, फिर ये हो गया तो ये हो जाएगा. ऐसे करके नीचे तक सारा पानी ठंडा होएगा. ठीक है, बट इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टॉप. वो ऊपर से चालू होगा. नाउ अभी ऊपर से चालू हुआ, ठीक है, जैसे ही 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस आया, सारा पानी 4 डिग्री हो गया. अब हमें पता है 4 डिग्री के बाद में पानी क्या होगा, एक्सपैंड होएगा. 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो रहा था, यस, अब वो एक्सपैंड होना चालू हुआ. तो अगर यहाँ पे मेरे मॉलिक्यूल्स एकदम ऐसे पास 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 हैं, these are the molecules of water, okay. बट ऊपर क्योंकि हमने 4 डिग्री से कम किया, सो सबसे पहले टॉप लेयर होएगा कूल, तो उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स दूर जाना चालू हो जाते हैं. दे स्टार्ट गोइंग फार बिकॉज वो एक्सपैंड हो रहा है. ठीक है, नीचे का तो ठंडा 4 डिग्री पे ही है, बट ऊपर का 4 डिग्री से नीचे चला गया है, वो सपोज 3 डिग्री पे चला गया है. सो वो मॉलिक्यूल्स फार हो जाते हैं, दे बिकम लेस डेंस क्योंकि वो एक्सपैंड हो रहा है. नाउ बिकॉज इट गेट्स एक्सपैंडेड और ये वाले मॉलिक्यूल स्टिल वेरी क्लोज है, तो ये जो मेरी आइस है पानी के नीचे नहीं आ पाती. So, अगर आइस मेरी पानी के नीचे नहीं आ पाती तो मेरे नीचे वाटर ही रहता है. सिर्फ टॉप लेयर आइस की होती है, बट नीचे पूरा वाटर होता है. So my plants and fishes and other types of animals which live in the water, they can live. बट अगर ये पूरा फ्रीज हो जाता तो वो नहीं रह पाते, बट अब वो रह सकते हैं. यस, सो दैट इज व्हाई नेचर क्रिएटेड दिस रूल. नेचर न्यू कि अगर ये और ठंडा हुआ, अगर ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ही होता रहा, तो पूरा पानी वो बन जाएगा बर्फ. बट अगर 4 डिग्री के बाद वो एक्सपैंड हो गया सडनली, तो वो नीचे वाला पानी पानी ही रहेगा क्योंकि ये मॉलिक्यूल्स नीचे नहीं आ पाएंगे. राइट? Yes. So class, this was it. Now this is your assignment for today. Please write these questions down in your notebook and write the answers and send on the homework and doubt group. That's it from my side, everyone. All the best. I'll see you in the online class now.